Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie. If this is your first time here, welcome. In today's video, as you probably already saw by the description, I will be showing you guys what I got in this month's Boxycharm. This is the Luxe box. I'm signed up for all three boxes. However, this one was sent out to me like as soon as like the month started, maybe like within the first week. I'm still yet to receive my premium box, so I don't know what's going on with that, but I didn't want to wait till get the premium box to put this video up for you guys. I wanted to just show you what I got in my Luxe box. So let's go ahead and get started, you guys. So just to let you know, for the Luxe box, you do get this, it's 4 times a year, so March, June, September, and December. And I do pay an additional $50 every 3 months to get this box, which it usually does contain about $200 to $300 worth of products, and you do get 8 to 10 products in the Luxe box. So let me just go ahead and open it, and I will let you guys know what I received this month. Let's see. Okay, so this is a cute fall card. So the theme for this month is Fall Luxe. And the first thing that I see is the Rare Beauty palette. I believe I was the one that decided to get this palette because I thought the colors were really pretty. So the Rare Beauty palette does retail for $25. And this is the Confident Energy eyeshadow palette. Look at how pretty, you guys. And this is what it looks like inside. So pretty. Let me just swatch some of these colors here. All right, not the best swatches, but here are the swatches right here. So pretty. They are very pigmented, as you guys can see. All right. The next item I see in my box it's a contour palette from Cab Cosmetics. Just open this. This is what it looks like from the inside. So pretty. I could never have too many contour palettes. And this is volume 2, it says in the back. The volume 2 contour palette. Okay, the next item I have in my box is from Saturday Skin. Oh, sorry guys, I didn't tell you. So, this contour palette retails for $60. Okay, and then the next item I see is the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop. Gonna open it for you guys. So this is what the packaging looks like. Love the packaging. Okay, so this is a soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for healthy and radiant looking skin. Can't wait to try this guy. Okay, the next thing that I got is this from the Lifestyle Co. It's a bamboo body polish right here. And it says it's vegan, paraben free, sulfate free. And this retails for $49. And this claims to be, this polish has sustainable bamboo stem extract to achieve gentle physical exfoliation for your self-care needs. Bamboo stem extract is derived from the interior portion of the plant and provides excellent exfoliation. Jojoba oil delivers essential fatty acids and is quickly absorbed into skin, helping it feel softer and more nourished. Keep it in the fridge for anti-inflammatory effects and to boost circulation. Can't wait to try this. Okay, the next thing that I see here is, I think the brand is Dew of the Gods. Yes, Dew of the Gods, and it's the Froze Hya Activated Lip Scrub. Love, love the packaging. Can I open this? Super cute. And this retails for $16. And this says, show your lips some much needed love with the scrub of the gods. This iconic Froze lip scrub is activated with hyaluronic acid and essential oils to hydrate, exfoliate, and lift. Made from sugar, strawberry seed oil, jojoba oil, and shea extract. Yay! Especially right now that the winter is coming, fall and winter. My lips do tend to get kind of dry, so I can never have enough lip scrub. Okay, the next thing I have here is from Iconic London, and it's the Triple Threat Mascara. Let's see. So here it is right here. Ooh, it's one of those skinny ones, which I actually like. So here is the one right here. You guys see that? Okay, and this mascara retails for $26. And it says, fed up with falsies? Meet the gold standard of mascaras, an ultra black, stunning, weightless formula that volumizes, lengthens, and lifts lashes all day and night for a dramatic, fluttery look. The easy-to-handle slim brush gets right to the root of your lashes for an instant smoldering, fuller lash line, while the dense bristles separate and coat lashes evenly with deep black, intense fullness and length, the best alternative to false lashes. Yay! I will definitely be giving this guy a try. Okay, the next thing in my box is from the New Co. Defense Drops. I think it's for your immune system. Oh yeah, it's a herbal supplement. Here it is right here. And this guy retails for, where are you? $35. And this claims your first line of defense against getting sick. The immune boosting liquid tincture contains a blend of adaptogenic herbs and immunomodulating extracts with naturally antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties, used at the first sign of a scratchy throat or sneeze to help support your body's immune response. can never have enough stuff to help build your immune system, especially with the times that we are living in right now. All right, and then last but not least, you guys, I got a shampoo and conditioner from Outre. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's by Outre. And this guy retails for $66. And it's for healthy hair begins with a healthy scalp. This daily duo repairs and hydrates stressed out strands with natural ingredients like jojoba, baobab, and avocado, while the anti-inflammatory benefits of CBD oil nourish and soothe your scalp. It's great for all hair types too. Tame frizz, protect your hair color, and add lustrous shine. Can't wait to try this guy as well. I do tend to have really dry scalp, and honestly, like, anything that helps with that, I'm more willing to try it out. Okay, guys. So that was it. That's everything that I got in my Luxe box this month. Let me just add everything up here for you guys, and I will let you know in just a second how much worth of products I got this month. Okay, so this month's box was worth $334. So definitely worth it, you guys. For $50, you get $334 worth of products. So I definitely do recommend you guys to sign up for Boxycharm. I will put my link down below in the description box if you guys are interested in signing up. Definitely go ahead and do that. Obviously this video is not sponsored. This is something that I pay for every month. Like I said, I do have all 3 boxes, so right now I'm just waiting for my premium box to come. Hopefully it does come next week. But if anything, I won't be filming that. I will probably just do like an unboxing on my IG stories. If you guys are interested in watching that, I will leave my IG link down below as well. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like these kind of videos. Let me know in the comments below if you do want me to continue doing these unboxings or any other type of videos that you guys are interested in watching. Let me know. But until next time guys, I will definitely go ahead and see you in my next video. This is all for today. Peace out. Hey guys,